Alright guys, here's my Zootopia 2 Steelbook. A big long battle and a long wait to get this thing at retail. Let's see if it's worth the hype or not, and the $45 price tag. This is what the inside is supposed to look like, so let's go ahead and open this guy up and see what he looks like on the inside. A little bit tough here to get into it. Oh, you know what? Let me get my scissors here. All right, I'm back, you guys. Sorry about that. I couldn't find my scissors. I had to go find them. So let's just give this a little cut here so I don't destroy the metal. I've never had this much difficulty getting something open before. That is some tough plastic. Let's just use the scissors here and carefully cut it across the top here. There we go. All right. That was a battle in itself right there. Almost as difficult as getting the thing. All right, the J card is not glued to it, which is kind of nice, really. So let's go and take that off. Look at that. And the outside looks really good. And here's the spine, because this is the only way you'll be able to tell what's in here, because this is the only place the actual name of the movie is. Oh, come on, focus camera. Almost at it. Technical difficulties here, guys. All right, there we go. Check out that spine. Now, this is the first time I've seen the back of this Steelbook, because the J card's been covering it up the whole time. So we're seeing this together for the first time. Check that out. Alrighty, let's open this up and see what it looks like on the inside. Of course, here's the digital code, which I'm going to blur out. Check that out. Okay, let's go ahead and take these discs out here so we can see the artwork behind them. One thing I hate about taking new disc out is I'm always afraid to break them, getting them out. Let's see, I've never seen this design before. I don't think I like that so much, but I'll be honest, this is the Blu-ray one, so I'm probably not going to be taking it out that much. How many of these characters can you guys name? There the city is. Let's see if we can get all of it here in the shot. There we go. Look at that. You know, I think it was worth the $45. But, you know, I could be wrong. Most people may not think it was worth $45 and the long wait. But at least I got it at retail. And I can only see one little tiny dent in the case right there. Right there. But other than that, I don't see anything wrong with it. If you guys want to see the video of my struggle of trying to get this Zootopia 2 Steelbook, why don't you guys go ahead and click that video right there. And YouTube will think you guys will like that video right there. I am the Talking Horse, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.